さん、こんにちは。Hello everyone. 私はさくら先生です。I am Sakura sensei. Welcome to my Japanese class. Are you planning to travel to Japan? I'm quite sure that some Japanese useful sentences make your journey unforgettable. Let's learn useful phrases and vocabularies as well as simple grammar. Today, you are going to learn more useful phrases and how to respond in Japanese. Let's start. This lesson consists of 3 parts. Today's sentences, memory test, and overview. Check the timetable below this video. A picture now, I'm going to translate how in English appears. すみません、すみません。Then, Japanese phrase or conversation appears in red, and you hear its pronunciation. Repeat the phrase after hearing it. Romaji appears in light blue, and you hear its pronunciation. If you're not sure of Hiragana, check my Hiragana videos. Also, I explain about the phrases if necessary. Okay, now let's start. はい、はい、はい。This is easy to memorize. Just like English greeting, hi. いいえ、いいえ、いいえ。うん、うん、うん。This is a casual way to say yes. うん、うん、うん。is easy to pronounce, but is a little harder. Also, you should be very careful to hear which one Japanese people say. Or わかりません。わかりません。わかりません。Try this phrase when you don't understand what people say in Japanese, or when you don't know which way to go. わかりました。わかりました。わかりました。Answer with this phrase when someone explains something and you understand it. 知っています。知っています。知っています。You say 知っています when you have knowledge about something. For example, someone asks if you know the name of something or places, you can say 知っています。知りません。知りません。知りません。You say 知りません when you have no knowledge about something, especially about things which is not personal. For example situation, you are asked where the station is, or you are asked how to use the ticket machine. It sounds a little cold if you say 知りません on the personal matter. Use わかりません when you want to express your personal opinion. そうですか。そうですか。そうですか。When you lower the pitch at the end, It means I see. When you raise the pitch at the end, like そうですか? It means really to make sure something. すみません。すみません。すみません。This is another usage of すみません. You can say this when you call someone like a waiter, waitress, or shop assistant. お願いします。お願いします。お願いします。お願いします is used when you ask something. The literal meaning is do me a favor. もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。もう一度 means once more. ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと means shortly or a little. 待ってください means please wait. ください makes the sentence polite. You can say only ちょっと待って. This sounds casual. 頑張ってください。頑張ってください。頑張ってください。頑張ります is a frequent verb in Japan. It is used to encourage someone. ください makes the sentence polite. Of course, you can say only 頑張って。Now, let's test your memory. At first, a picture and English translation appears, and then small bars appears. While the bars are coming up, try to say appropriate Japanese phrase. Next, Hiragana and Romaji appears. At last, the answer is played, so you can make sure if you're right. Are you ready? Let's start. はい。いいえ。うん。うん。わかりません。わかりました。知りません。 知っています。そうですか。すみません。お願いします。もう一度お願いします。ちょっと待ってください。頑張ってください。